What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I know we haven't uploaded in about a week or two. The reason why, I wanted to get this car done, like as sanding and doing all that stuff, because we are about to send it off to wrap. Joe will be wrapping the 350Z for us, and if you guys don't know who Joe is basically our detailer guy, or he is the guy that you go to go get detailed in our small little town. There's other competitors, but we like Joe. So Joe came last week and measured all the panels for the 350Z because we went through him to get everything so we can get it wrapped. Past 2 weeks, why I haven't been vlogging is because I've been actually trying to fix all the body panels and stuff, like, because there's little dents here and there, and with the color we're choosing, you'll be able to see. We'll show you guys what I've been doing for the past 2 weeks. So little things like this. That was a dent, filled it in. There was a dent. All the little black areas. You guys are probably wondering why it's black. It's just the type of primer that I got. It's just black. So that's what we've been doing. Just little stuff like paint chips, all that stuff, all the way around. And then on the back trunk, this was the major part. All this was dented in and stuff. I just went a little more overboard on the back hatch because it had the most dents, but in all reality, the wing will be covering most of it. But I just wanted to get it out the way. There wasn't that much to do, but we had to get it. And I did break one of these A-pillars. So these are very, very expensive. So be very careful when you take these off because they're about $500 brand new, and then people are selling them for about anywhere from $300 to $400 used, which is, I think, ridiculous. So in today's video, you probably guys saw the thumbnail and everything. We're gonna be finishing up what we need to do to have this car prepped for wrap, which means we are gonna be Ajaxing or cleaning up the Kbd bumper. So if you guys are familiar with Kbd is a company who makes body kits with polyurethane. You guys are also wondering what this box is. She wanted brand new headlights. Yeah, yeah, keep on going, big boy. Exactly, the dog. She wanted new headlights because these are all busted and messed up. So she bought some Spec D tuning. I don't know. Apparently they're plug and play, straight OEM. We'll be putting those on as well. They're pretty cool. I won't show you guys until the end of the video, but they look cool. They're all right. Not my cup of tea, but she likes them a lot. This is gonna be a drag because we have to take all the body panels off and do this, all of them one by one. The only thing I don't want to do is the back bumper because that is the worst one to do, but we're gonna have to do it. You know what the good thing about YouTube magic is? You don't have to watch this part. All right, so now I got to take this bumper all the way over there because we have the water all the way over there. So basically what you're going to do is we're going to wet it down. We're going to get the Ajax. We're going to powder it all over it. They say you can use anywhere from 180 to 320. All I got is 320 to use. Like, you're going to scuff it in. And then after that, I guess you wipe it down again, and then it should be good to go for wrapping. We're just going to go with the 320 as of right now. And then if it still feels smooth, I guess we'll go get some 180. So we'll try it right now. This smells like Lucas.
Lucas?
Yeah. So basically guys, you're just gonna keep on doing this. After you're done doing this process, you're gonna wet it. You're gonna wet it again, and then you're gonna put the water over it and see if it beads up. What you're trying to do is get it to where it doesn't beat up anymore. Because after it doesn't beat up anymore, then you can take it back and then you can start dry sanding it or just regular sanding it, so you can get that better surface so it can fit with the wrap. Alright, it's the next day. we got the front bumper done. You saw in the last clip, so we're gonna get this bumper done. I mean, we're gonna take this bumper off right now. All right, guys, so the bumper's back on. You guys just saw us sand the bumper with 220. I use 220 because when we went to go wash it and stuff, I didn't record it for some reason. But anyways, when we went to wash it and put the Ajax on, we used 150, and 150 is in the same range as the 180, I think so, something like that. But anyways, we did that. The bumper's back on. The last thing we got to do is pretty much do the side skirts, and it's pretty much ready to be dropped off at Joe's. And then we'll wait for him to finish with wrapping it, and that's pretty much it. And then we should have wheels coming in after that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish up the side skirts. I'm pretty sure you guys know the concept of how to do this. You get your Ajax, you water it down first, get your Ajax, spray it all over, and then start using anywhere from 180 to 220 or 150 to 220 grit paper, and just sand it down until it's smooth. And then once the water stops beating off of it, you're good to go. And then if you want to be reassure, you take it and dry sand it with I use the 220, so go for it and use the 220 and just dry sand the whole thing. And then it should be ready for wrapping. The new headlights, we do have to get a ballast for them because our old headlights didn't come with a ballast. Our old headlights were HIDs or LEDs, whatever they are. I don't know. But this was our old ballast. This ain't gonna work for the new one. So we'll be ordering a ballast so it can properly fit for the low beams. The low beams don't work, but we can show you all the sequentials on these, which are probably her favorite thing about this headlight. So what we're gonna do is what she's been wanting to do the most, and what y'all probably want to see the most, maybe. I don't know. Y'all had to click this video for something. Maybe the body kit, how to do the KBD stuff. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the headlights and put on the brand new headlight. She already put one headlight on, so we're just gonna show y'all guys. But I'll put the bumper on and everything. Oh, we already took it off. Never mind. So we'll just take off this headlight. I'll mock up the bumper real quick, and then we'll show you guys what it looks like. Still got something on there. I know, guys, it's a mess, but we had to do what we had to do at one point. Components out with the old, in with the new. Go ahead, plug it in. Thing for the ballast.
Is it easier to just sit it on here and then...
We're having technical difficulty. I said this earlier, guys, but if you order these headlights, make sure your OEM has the ballast. If not, your low beams won't work for a regular, like driving at night. Make sure you have your ballast. If not, order some. Z1 Motorsports has them, and that's probably where we're getting ours from. Z1 Motorsports sponsors. I'm not saying we are sponsored by them. I'm asking them.
All the stuff we buy, please.
pretty cool. Fitment right here is pretty ass, but I think we need to move this over. So whenever I guess whenever VLZ takes care of it, I mean when VLZ has it, hopefully they can fix it for us. If not, it's not a big thing. I can fix it real quick. But yes, these are sequential 350Z headlights. And then when you do the turn signals, they go whoop, whoop. So if you guys are looking to get something like this, where'd you get these from, babe?
Red line, something. Oh, actually, I think I got them through Vivid.
She got them through Vivid, so go check out Vivid. They have these. These are about what?
Almost $400.
$400. Pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So guys, this Z has came a long way. Last year we did some mods like exhaust, suspension, cooling. Then this year we're fixing it up for show. So that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give us a like. Anyways guys, I'll see you guys on the next vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog of us doing this Z. So on the next vlog, it'll probably be at Joe's and we'll probably be working on my 240. I know you guys aren't big on 240 content, but it's my car. That's my car. This is the channel. The channel is based off of this. So if I have any new 240 people, come check out the channel. We did a lot with this one. Right now I'm prepping a rear sway bar links and I got some energy bushing, so we might do that in the next vlog. Drop comments down below if you want to see the 350Z get wrapped or get partially wrapped. See how Joe does his thing at his shop. And then, yeah. But anyways, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog coming out too.